Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the Amazon Relay app if you are a driver. First, download the Amazon Relay app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once the app is installed, open it. When you open the app for the first time, you may be asked to sign up or log in. Use the email that your carrier added to their system. Enter the invitation code when the app asks for it. This connects your driver profile to your carrier so your assigned loads appear correctly. After your profile is ready, the app will show your assigned loads in the upcoming work or trip section. Tap on any load to see more information. This includes the pick-up and drop-off locations, the type of trailer or box truck required, the schedule, and any special instructions you should follow. When you accept the load, you can tap the navigation button to start GPS directions. The app uses truck-friendly routing. That means it avoids small roads, low bridges, and areas unsafe for large vehicles. After you complete the delivery, you can review the load in your load history. The app also gives you options to report delays, issues, or anything your dispatcher needs to know. Thanks for watching.